Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect data integrity with Dropbox, beginner guide step. Start by visiting the Dropbox website or opening the Dropbox app on your device. Sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the main dashboard where you can see your files and folders. To ensure data integrity, begin by organizing your files into clearly labeled folders. This helps prevent accidental deletions and makes it easier to locate important documents. Next, enable file versioning in your Dropbox settings. File versioning allows you to restore previous versions of any document. Click on your profile icon or initials in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under the Backup tab, ensure that Enable File Version History is checked. Now, set regular backup schedules for your critical files. You can use the desktop app to sync folders that you need backed up frequently. Simply right-click the folder you want to backup, and select Dropbox from the menu. Choose Sync this folder to ensure it's saved automatically. For additional security, enable two-factor authentication on your Dropbox account. Go back to your profile icon and navigate to Settings. Under the Security tab, locate the two-factor authentication option and follow the prompts to set it up. This adds an extra layer of security when accessing your account. Next, consider sharing files with caution. When sharing, set permissions appropriately to restrict who can edit or view the files. Click on the file you want to share and select Share. Choose your sharing preferences carefully, opting for Can View or Can Edit as necessary. Regularly audit your shared files and folders. Remove access from any users who no longer need it to maintain control over your data. Finally, keep your Dropbox application updated. Updates often include important security patches and features that enhance data integrity. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your data integrity using Dropbox. Keep monitoring your files and periodically review your settings for optimal security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.